Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're out here today in the field just messing around, and we figured we'd do some 0 to 60 times or 8th mile times, and kind of compare or get like a baseline before we start adding some performance mods to this unit. So we figured we'd go ahead and do that. And we got the Dragy here, so this is a pretty good unit here. Records everything, and it's hooked up to my phone right here. And we're going to go ahead and try to do 8th mile time and see what we can do. I think the best time, what was the Ranger? Is it like 12 seconds, 13 seconds, something like that? 8th mile time, I believe. So obviously this should go faster. I don't know about the tires. On the Ranger we had the Carnivores, and these are more like rock tires. So I don't know if we're going to get any kind of traction, but we'll see what we can figure out here. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and do this. And see what happens. Alright, here we go. Ready?
Yeah.
There we go. How'd that look? Pretty cool?
Good, yeah.
I don't know if we got too much traction. Tire spinning pretty bad?
No, not too bad.
Alright, so we got 0 to 60, 9.2 seconds. 8th mile, 10.5. So we'll go ahead and show you. There we go. Come on over here showing it so we can see it's verified. 9.2, 0 to 60. And 60 foot time, 8.8. And there it is. You can guys see it's valid. So 9.2, 0 to 60. I think we'll go ahead and we'll let's try it one more time. What do you think? And go from there. Go ahead and try it again. Alright, hey, we wanted to show you, we got that gauge installed. Come on over here, Mike. These are our runs right here. You can see temperature of the belt. Right now it's 132. But each one of these things are our runs. After you shut the vehicle off, it resets itself. And so then you can see each time we shut the vehicle off, there we're at on the temperature right there. So I wanted to show you guys that because that was on the last video. We didn't get a chance to show you guys it working. So, all right, you ready? All right, here we go. and it's valid. 8.94. So we went from 9.20 to 8.94. You guys can see that's valid, showing that. There you guys go. Let's see, 60 foot time, 8.67 this time. So 8.94, that's not bad. I mean, this is basically a stock unit. We haven't done any performance mod to it or anything. Just added some accessories, mirrors and lights. And I tell you what, the air intake relocation kit, it's way better than it was. So I'm telling you guys right now, if you guys want to get that kit, I think it's on back order right now, but make sure you keep checking the link, or you can contact Drilling Cycles to get that air relocation kit, because I can't hear that real loud noise like it used to be at like 5,000 RPM. I mean, you can hear a little bit, but it's not like it was. So I think, what do you want to do? One more? And that should be our good baseline before we start adding some horsepower to this unit. What do you think? Good?
Yeah.
Alright. So one more time. Faster. I think we're getting a little groove in the field now. We're starting to get some traction. 8.71. Check that out, guys, and it's valid. 8.71. So we went from where did we start out? We started out at 9.20, and then we went to 8.54, right? And no, 8.94, and then this last one, 8.71. So that's pretty good. So I think that gives us a good baseline before we start adding some horsepower. We want to put a tune in it, exhaust, and we might even put the, because this unit right here is 120 horsepower, we might go ahead and put an intercooler in and put a tune in and an exhaust, and then we'll see the big difference. We're going to go from like 120 horsepower to like 180, 172, somewhere in that area, and we should definitely see a big difference. But our baseline is 8.71. I'll go ahead and put the final numbers down here on the bottom of the screen. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We thought we were out here messing around, so we thought we'd go ahead and do that 0 to 60 time, so that way we can get it recorded. And if you guys like this kind of stuff, appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. Also, please like, comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and follow us on Instagram. Check out our merch store if you want any UTV dirt swag. And with that said, I'll see you on our next one. Alright guys, we got a little bonus clip here teaching Mikey how to ride a side-by-side. So I gave him the green key, so this is the eco key. So we don't want to start him out on full power. So alright, Mikey, go ahead and take it around the track one time. This gives me a chance to hear it too and see it. So I'm always driving it. And we're going to start him out slow. and go from there. Gradually give him the performance key in the future. But this is going to be our little track, so I thought it was pretty cool to show it to you guys. I get a chance to see it in action because I'm always driving it. Now, I told him to go slow, so don't get on him because I told him. I want him to start out slow. But sooner or later, we want to get him up to speed, like me. Man, that thing looks bad. What'd you think?
This thing's a beast.
In eco mode, right?
Yeah, it's still a beast, regardless.
Imagine the performance key.
Still a beast.
Yep. All right, guys. We'll see you on our next one.